Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Yeah, I am still in Lusaka. Okay, so guys, this is how the accommodation looks like. Yeah. Oh, there's a pool here. I didn't even see it. This is lovely. I saw there's a pool next to my room, but I did not check it. No, actually, like there's still, I think there's a room with that pool. They're still fixing it, so I didn't know that they have another pool here. This is nice. I'm probably not gonna swim. I'm leaving tomorrow. Actually, I'm leaving on Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, this is how it looks. Everything looks so green and nice, huh? And accommodation is very cheap here. I think it's 300 kwacha. How much is that in rent? I think it's 200. Yeah.
You need something from reception?
Sorry?
You need something?
Oh no, yeah, I'm gonna pay for my coffee.
Your coffee?
Yes, no
Set
tea.
it down.
Just tea.
Tea.
Yes.
This one, tea.
Thank you. I wasted time helping me. Okay. What's his name? But I think he's preparing my coffee. Is he done?
Yeah,
He's done.
it's almost.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna sit outside. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that I'm gonna sit outside. Okay, alright. Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Yeah, I am still in Lusaka. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So we are still in Lusaka. We're still enjoying Lusaka. The weather is nice today. It's not too hot. Remember guys, I've been complaining about the heat. Thank God today the weather is just okay. It's actually lovely. It's beautiful. I'm not complaining. So I thought I should just go out a little bit and just walk in my neighborhood and go check the place out. I'll check on you guys later, but in the meantime, I'm waiting for my coffee. The guy who's gonna bring my coffee is right here. Let me show you. Alright, this is my tea. I'm having my tea very late in the evening. What time is it? He said it's 10 to 5 here. Yeah, but that's okay. I couldn't eat in the morning because I had a running stomach probably from the food I ate yesterday. Yeah. I'm waiting for my pancakes now. Yeah. This is the nice restaurant. It looks lovely. Ah.
So you can just look at our menu. These are our menus.
I'm not even hungry. I just want something light. Let's see. I am still in Zambia. Okay, nice. The toilets are looking beautiful. Nice and clean.
Your drink is ready.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Okay guys, you get to see my outfit of the day today. Yeah, this is how we're looking. My name is Pink and I'm wearing pink. This is my food. This is my supper, guys. I'm at a restaurant called Evan. What? I've forgotten the name. It's Evan something something. Yeah. Guys, this is my food. Oops. Oh, I almost dropped them. Yeah, anyway. This is my supper, guys.